Hello everyone, my name is Sun Hao, and the project we made is called Surveillance System. We want to make a program that monitors the company's equipment so that the company can manage the equipment. And at the end of the day, we can confirm whether the equipment are turned off to avoid unnecessary power consumption or when everyone get off work. We can make the company to save the source and ensure the safety. And now I'm going to introduce the procedure of our program. If you insert account and password, you can select action. If not, the system will show error. And if you select your action, you can select exit, or you can select server or client. And then if you select client, the client will send data to the server. And at the end, you can select exit to exit the program. The end. We use the basic components of C#, which taught in this class in our project. And then we also use additional components to complete our monitoring system. We can use the server to monitor whether the client device is connected. And from now on, you can see the depth of the screen. We put the components in that stage of the depth of the screen. This is phone 2. Is where you log in. And this is phone 1, the server of the surveillance system. And this is phone 3, the client of the surveillance system. And now I'm going to show you the demonstration of our project. In here, you can log in your account and password and click the login. And if the account or password is wrong, then the message box will show error. And if they are right, you can log in phone 2. And in phone 2, you can select client or server or exit. In this interface, you can see both server and client. In here, you insert the IP of the computer and the port. And in the client, you can insert the same IP and the same port too. After that, you click TCP/IP server start. And in this page, you can see it shows server start. It means that the IP of the computer becomes server and the client can link the IP to send data. In the interface of the client, you can choose whether to turn on the device or not. If the button is at the below and the light is red, it means that the device is out of power. And if you click the button, the button will go on the top and the light will become green. It means that the device is turned on. And here you can see the device number 2. The button is at the below and the light is red. It means that device number 2 is being turned off. Clicking the button at the interface of the client will send data to the server and restore them, and then show them on the data grid view. If you click the button here, you can modify the size, the source, the direction, and the border of the data you're trying to print. And if you click this button, it will show you the preview of the data, which of the device is being turned off or turned on. And you can see the date and the time on the right. And if you select the checkbox here and then click the preview of the print, you can see the people to response at the middle of the print paper. And here we select the people to response all, and you can see them all in the middle. And if you click the print button here, you can modify the way how you want to print and then select the file where you want to store the print of the document. And here you can see the print of the document. And if you click the right button here, the system will send the data which are written in the program to the SQL server. And if you click the load button here of the SQL, it will send the data from the SQL server to our computer and then send the data to the list box right here. At the end, you can click the exit to return to the login interface to reinsert the password and the account to re-log in the system. And this is the reference. We have learned a lot C# knowledge in this class, and the teaching assistant let us practice questions after the class. However, we are not that good, so we need to spend some time to discuss and explore to complete the questions. Our team members working very hard together to make the final report. There are some little problem and trouble in the period, but fortunately, we finally overcome the difficulties. Thank you for listening.